Hello everyone, this is Dave from JD Cycle Works. Today I want to show you a bike that came in that has a SNS 475 in it, and the only thing we did was we changed the exhaust system from the Reinhardt full exhaust system with the DBX baffles, put the Chromeworks system on there, the 2-2 with the quieter baffles, and just went over the calibrating of the bike with the power vision. And you can see you can see the difference here. The Reinhardt on our first run, it just dipped so hard. Look at this. 2,700 RPMs, 90 foot-pounds of torque. Shoots up, then it kind of comes down and falls right down. A lot of this was also needing to be properly calibrated. But second that, it does show the characteristics of a very big baffled exhaust system. So here we show the difference now with the Chromeworks system, with the quieter baffle, how it comes on nice and smooth and keeps going up and car's real nice. This is just a cam upgrade. Everything else in the bike is pretty much stock. Intake manifold. There is a little shakiness in the graph, which I believe might be a tire balance problem, that I'm working on. But just pretty interesting to see how, okay, here is two different exhaust systems, both very popular systems, and look at the outcome between the two of them. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you for watching. But please remember to like and subscribe for more of these exciting videos.